What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel, Bullets Garage. We just got to Chicago Auto Pros. They're having like an open house day. This is their second one. We just showed up with my wife. We're gonna walk around, see the cars, hopefully meet up with Jason, talk to him, and it's gonna be a nice quick day. It's 95 degrees, so it's hot as shit. So we're gonna just be here, enjoy it. Alright guys, I'm here with Jason from Chicago Auto Pros on their second open house of the year. We got a lot of great cars out here. As you can see, a bunch of nice cars. I'm going to be here next weekend getting my GSF detailed. He's going to be here making some videos. How did you start this business is what I want to know.
How do I start this business?
Yeah.
Well, I started about 15 years ago. I started doing mobile detailing in Atlanta, Georgia. I did that for 4 or 5 years. And honestly, I'm not good at anything else, so this is what I do.
This is what you do, and it's a great passion to have.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if you guys haven't checked out his Instagram, his Facebook, Chicago Auto Pros, check him out. If you need your car detailed, tinted, paint, film protection applied, these are the best people to go in the Chicagoland area. Check them out, guys.
Enjoy the video.
Yeah. So this right here, guys, they are doing a vinyl wrap job on this Porsche. I've seen it on their videos on their channel. They're making progress on it, and it's interesting to see how it all comes together, because you usually don't see this, you know, you just see the finished product. Here you can see how they took the car apart, the doors off, everything to get the whole car wrapped, the door hinges and everything. So that's pretty cool to see that. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Had a great time here at Chicago Auto Pros. Met up with Jason, talked a little bit. Awesome guy. We might collab on a few videos in the future, share some information, but he's great at what he does. I need to learn from him, if anything. But great cars here. Keep up what you're doing, Jason. Keep the company growing and keep that YouTube channel growing. Everybody check out Chicago Auto Pros and give them a subscription. Take care. See you on the next video.